If you want to travel back in time, Europe is the perfect destination. Today, we are exploring the medieval city of Bruges. It is the capital and the largest city of the province of West Flanders in the Flemish region of Belgium. Bruges' population hovers around 120,000 people, 20,000 of whom live in the city centre where we are visiting today. The canals and waterways in modern-day Bruges were formed by flooding in medieval times. Like Amsterdam, it is also called the Venice of the North. Since the mid-1600s, Bruges became one of the most popular tourist destinations for wealthy British and French tourists. Bruges has gone through several wars, but fortunately was never destroyed. Occupied by the Germans in World War II and liberated by Canadian troops in 1944, Bruges is a perfect example of medieval settlement and has evolved over time. Gothic architecture is now part of the town's identity. The city attracts over 2 million visitors every year. If you are short on time, a guided boat tour of the canals of Bruges is a must. The tours leave roughly every 20 minutes and last about 30 minutes and allow the visitor to appreciate the most noteworthy scenes of Bruges from a completely different perspective. There are no communication barriers. The tour is available in many different languages. Did you know the boats are all electric? So this keeps the canals free from diesel or gasoline pollution. I really like that.
The summer heat comes rolling in. We'll hit the beach and sing it. Oh, 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 oh. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, 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 'cause it's summertime.
There are more than 80 bridges in Bruges. The total length of the canal is 12 kilometers or 7.5 miles, with a depth of 24 feet. That is deep.
Oh, 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 'cause it's summertime. Yeah, it's summertime.
Walk around the historic center. This is where you'll find all the backdrops for the famous Bruges photographs you see on postcards. The city center is small, walkable, and nearly car-free, except for bicycles and horse-drawn buggies. Bruges is very safe. Like any tourist destination, be aware of pickpockets, like anywhere else. Violent crimes are exceedingly rare. And of course, you can't forget their famous chocolate. Delicious! Now don't forget Belgium's world-famous beer. We sampled at 2B, a shop with an amazing beer bar. Their patio overlooks the canal and has picturesque views of Bruges. The washrooms are equipped with sink aquariums. Amazing! Make sure to visit the 2B shop. All merchandise is made in Belgium. From beers, souvenirs, and comic books. Visit the museum. You may discover that some comic book characters you read when you were a kid actually originated from Belgian cartoonists. You can also buy collectibles of your favorite heroes. We stayed at Hotel Gesteckhof. It is located in the heart of the historic city of Bruges, right in the middle of it all. Beautiful setup with an amazing breakfast buffet. The beautiful building dates from the 16th century, and with the stately Gothic facade, it still emanates a lot of its own original glory. We sure enjoyed our visit to Bruges and recommend it to anyone who enjoys exploring medieval history. If you enjoyed watching this video, please click on like and subscribe to our channel. We need your support to keep bringing you more exciting destination videos. Thank you for watching.
I'm yours, I'm yours, I'm yours, oh, 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 so let